So is this the best monitor under 17K with 2K resolution? So I ordered this monitor for Samsung DeX, and if you don't know Samsung DeX, it can turn your phone into full-fledged PC that runs on Android. So this is Lenovo's Legion R27qe monitor that comes with IPS display with 99% sRGB, that is good for color accuracy, and also 1.07 million colors, and it also comes with 0.5 millisecond response time and 200 Hz display, that is good for gaming. So don't do this that I am doing right now. Don't remove the cover without adding the stand before. So here I am using Potronix HDMI to C-type hub, where I can get 2 A-type ports and 2 C-type ports. It will cost you only $9.5 in US currency, and it will cost you in India 900 rupees. And I am also using this HDMI cable for $1.5 in Indian currency, 150 or 100 rupees.
Moment of truth, let's see if it's on or not. On the monitor.
By the way, I will provide every link for every product that I use in this video. And also this video is not sponsored by Samsung or Lenovo.
So we can do this also. I am recording from my phone camera and it is showing me this.
So this is my laptop display and this is the monitor display. You can see the display quality of monitor and laptop. And also I will not use this laptop ever again because this laptop sucks. So I will now showcase the video playback on this monitor with. So later in this video I am going to play some phone games on Samsung DeX. So wait until that. In next video I will showcase Samsung DeX features and what's its cons and what's its pros in full detail and my own experience. And by the way, this video is also edited in Samsung DeX. In next video I will also showcase how to edit on Samsung DeX. I will use Light Motion and CapCut for that. So now these are some gaming experience on Samsung DeX. And the games I played surprisingly support Samsung DeX. This means I don't have to set up any control for this. It is running on default settings.
Everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.